The current market is struggling because the current layer 1 blockchains are actually having a lot of trouble with their infrastructure keeping up with the demand for today. Now, naturally, most of these blockchains were built to scale, but as technology evolves, as there are more ways to compromise a blockchain, congest a blockchain with AI and other things, this could be an issue and is an issue for a lot of layer 1 blockchains you see today. That's why today we're going to be talking about something a bit newer, something that incorporates AI into the blockchain, something that is brand new in terms of a pre-sale going live soon, and something that I believe will completely change the infrastructural landscape of the blockchain sphere. Now, none of this is financial advice. This is all for educational purposes only, but today we will be diving into NextChain AI Blockchain. This is something that is ridiculous. I'll get into it in a minute, but the reason why we should be taking a look at blockchain pre-sales, not only because previous blockchain pre-sales in different cycles did incredibly well, we're talking about thousands of X's from the successful blockchains that you got into, of course, but Trump is actually setting the pace right now with World Liberty Financial, and this is really just beginning a trend on new potential blockchains and new technology that people are getting interested into, which is spurring a lot of investment in the pre-sale space. Now, what makes this blockchain different than the other blockchains you see out there, and why is this something that is completely dominating my radar right now and should probably be on yours? Well, the NextChain AI blockchain actually used something called DAG architecture, or DAG architecture, and they use this with AI, allowing for a much faster and efficient process on their blockchain, and this is going to help interoperability, this is going to help scalability, it's going to help speed and transaction fees as well. So imagine all the blockchains you see right now. Some of them can get slow, congested. We've seen Solana go down multiple times this year alone, and we're only in March, guys. So imagine one that can scale super efficiently. It is hybrid, so it can essentially go and get interoperability with other chains, and it's something that can scale so quickly that it could basically just take over the blockchain space in a matter of months. But what are the different industries that this could cater to? Well, if we're looking at this section of the website right here, we can actually see that yes, naturally it's going to be helping with finance, but they're also targeting healthcare, supply chain management, Internet of Things, content monetization as well, and decentralized AI services. And with government administration as well, guys, we could probably see this integrated into the government with e-voting and other such technologies that could really benefit the democratic systems. Now, all of these different industries do have AI, but what's important about NextChain is it's specifically catering its AI to each of these industries, allowing developers to build on it and actually just have a running program or product that works without any hiccups like you'd see on Solana or Ethereum, where it's either slow or expensive, right? So something like this is really what the crypto industry needs. If we are looking at backers right now, we're seeing big names behind this project. We can see Shima Capital, Animoca Brands. This is a big name we saw in the last cycle, Outlier Ventures and Dream Ventures as well. These are very large VC funds that give millions and millions of dollars to different projects. But these projects have to be good and they have to pass a lot of vetting. So when we see NextChain actually backed by these brands, it's something that is a massive criteria tick box and something that should be on your radar as a pre-sale to get into. So we can see here with this pre-sale, you can join the whitelist right now. All you got to do is enter your email. And as you can see, this starts very soon. In fact, when this video comes out or when you see this video, this may have already begun. So definitely click the link in the description to get involved if that is the case. You can see here the whitelist pre-sale price will be 1 cent per coin. Then the listing price will be 30 cents per coin. So in terms of a percentage gain here, guys, we're talking about a ridiculous ROI here that could really massively benefit your portfolio. But what about tokenomics here? Because that's going to be a massive part, particularly with blockchains, that if they get the tokenomics right, it is something that is great. If they get the tokenomics wrong, it could be something that ends up being monopolized or something that, yeah, cannot be distributed or decentralized, and then devs may not want to build on it. But when I do look at the tokenomics of this project, guys, it does look incredibly well distributed. We can see 5% for marketing, we can see 7% reward, 5% seed round. Okay, treasury is going to be 17%. I think this is very good. These tokenomics, guys, actually, I would say echoes a lot of the biggest blockchains out there when it comes to distribution. So those blockchains are obviously doing well in terms of how they're going with market cap. So yes, these guys having similar distribution here in their tokenomics is something that is good and something that, yeah, why fix it if it's not broken at the end of the day here, right? We can see 20% is going to be for the public sale. So if you are interested in this, definitely get involved sooner rather than later, because as you guys know, with pre-sales, the earlier you get in, the better it is here. Now, looking at their team here, we do have a huge team of various different people from various different industries, and we can see, yes, every single role here has been filled to the point where, yes, they're gonna have an effective team and they are building this product very, very well. Now, if we're looking Q2 of this year, guys, 2025, we can see they are going to be launching a test net. This is going to be huge for the success of the project. Okay, yes, the pre-sale will be good, but getting involved and actually testing this product is going to be massive because, yes, based on everything I've seen so far, it looks like it's going to work. And when I do test this as well, that could be another opportunity to invest more. So definitely keep an eye on that. Then they're going to be doing mainnet in Q3 and then mainnet launch in Q4. So by the end of this year, this product or blockchain should be launched according to their roadmap, and just based on their backers, just based on their tokenomics, their team here, I would say that this is going to be something that is huge. Now, if we go to their dashboard here, we can see, yes, this is where you would purchase the pre-sale. Super easy to do. You just connect your wallet and you're good to go. Type in how much you want to buy, press confirm, and then yes, you will get your coins. But one thing that's super important that I do want to talk about here in this video is this. This is the referral section. And what these guys are doing right is the fact that, yes, you're going to get 10% cash back for every transaction that uses your referral link. So in this section on the dashboard, all you got to do is go down and press the share my link button, and then you're going to get your link copied to your clipboard. And from that point, yes, share it around. You'll see your referrals here. And because you get 10%, if someone was to purchase, say, $10,000 worth of this pre-sale, then you're actually going to get $1,000 from that, which is pretty fantastic to say the least. And it's super simple to do. 3 easy steps, as you can see here. Connect your wallet, get your referral code, and then earn that cash back instantly. And that will be deposited directly into your wallet as well. Super simple, super easy to get going. If you are in any alpha groups, guys, this is a massive money-making opportunity. So definitely get involved with this soon. So that is NextChain AI Blockchain, guys. Definitely check it out in the description. This is something I think could be massive, and just based on their backers, their utility basically being using AI to make every part of crypto and blockchain more efficient and effective and cheaper and faster, I do think this is something that could gain a lot of traction very, very quickly. As well as that, as a blockchain, I do feel like security will be a lot higher on something like this because they will have AI fraud protection and stuff like this that can help out the project and stop some of those scammers listing on the blockchain. So good stuff from NextChain. Pre-sale starts very soon. Definitely check it out in the description. I will be getting involved. Let me know if you guys are in the comments as well. But that is going to be it for this video. I will see you guys very, very soon. Cheers.